How to install your Trainer and Designer software. When installing your awesome new plugin systems from CorelTRAINER, we recommend following along with the PDF step-by-step instructions. You can find all your new software installers either from the flash drive you got from us at a show, or in the Downloads section on the left of our website when you log in, or from that PDF by either clicking on the link to Google Drive or by copy and pasting it into a web browser. Both the new Trainer and Designer plugins require a CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2023 or newer on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. Both will install automatically with the installer. While Trainer will need you to log in, Designer will need you to put in a license key. We do have an older version of CorelTRAINER for your CorelDRAW 2017 through 2022, but you'll need to contact us for that. Close any Corel software that you currently have running. Note that you may need to turn off any antivirus systems on your computer. These may include McAfee, Norton, or Windows Defender. You may also need to make sure that your Windows is not running in S mode if it has that setting, which is found on smaller touchscreen laptops. Choose the version of CorelDRAW on your computer that you're installing Trainer and Designer into. When downloading, you will likely need to assure your web browser that the download is safe. There may be a Download Anyway, Are You Sure, or Keep button to click. While you're downloading either from our website or the PDF, you may as well download the workspace while you're at it. It's labeled 2525CT SD Workspace. We'll get to that in just a few minutes. Typically, in the upper right corner of your browser screen, sometimes under the three dots, lines, or download icon, which looks like an underlined arrow pointing down, you will find that option to confirm the download. Open the installer by double-clicking on it, or your browser may offer to launch it or open it directly. Confirm with your computer that you would like to allow this app to make changes to your device. You may need to doubly do so by clicking on More Info and Run Anyway. Agree to the terms and follow the on-screen prompts. This will only take a minute or two, because our software is awesome. Then it'll let you know that it's all done. Now go ahead and open your CorelDRAW. Go up to the Tools menu under Options and select Workspaces. At the bottom left, you'll see an Import button. Click that. Browse to your Downloads location or back to the flash drive to find the 2525CT SD workspace that you most likely downloaded just a few minutes ago. Then hit Okie dokie. Your cursor will spin for a moment, your screen will flash, then your CorelDRAW will look awesome. Now you'll see both the Trainer and Designer Dockers, as well as a ton of other cool stuff on the right side of your CorelDRAW. Those two new Dockers will always be at the bottom of the Window menu. Get comfortable stretching the Dockers less or more when needed, or just closing them up with the double arrows if one is in the way. Almost done. In the Trainer Docker, you'll need to log into our website. Pretty typical. Type in the exact email address that you used when signing up, and then click on Forgot Password to get an auto email to set it up for the first time. Do so through that email, then come back to the Docker in your CorelDRAW and log in. Be sure to click the Remember Me button and you should never have to log in again. Now in the Designer Docker, you'll need to put the license key in. Because you're logged into Trainer, you can easily see those keys. Yep, under License Keys. Copy the one that starts with SD, as you'll need to paste it in. You can also find all of your license key serial numbers in that very first email receipt that you got from us when you signed up. Click on the Settings button in Simple Designer and paste that SD key at the top and click Check License Key. It'll flash, then say Active right below it. Last thing to do is download all the awesome graphic content that you got from us. Click Update Library and like 8,000 files are going to download, so it'll take 1 to 3 Seinfeld episodes to download it all, depending on your internet connection. When it's finished, you can enter your company vitals and upload your logo. But really, you're all done. Go ahead and X out of that little settings window and dive right in. That's it, you knocked out the install. Keep in mind that as a member, you can reach out to us anytime. Our email, support@CorelTRAINER.com, is your best bet. Thanks again, and we'll see you all in class.